Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve all the questions of abstract algebra from NBHM MA MSc Scholarship Test 2019. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 1. Let Px be the polynomial left as remainder when x to the power 2019 minus 1 is divided by x to the power 6 plus 1. What is the remainder left when Px is divided by x minus 3? The following results are very useful in order to solve the question. Result number 1. Suppose fx and gx are two polynomials where gx is not equal to 0 and gx divides fx, then there exists polynomial qx and rx such that fx can be written as gx times qx plus rx, where either rx equal to 0 or degree of rx less than degree of gx. Result number 2. When a polynomial fx is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, the remainder of that division will be equivalent to f of a. It is given that Px is the remainder when x to the power 2019 minus 1 is divided by x to the power 6 plus 1. To find Px, put x to the power 6 equal to minus 1 in x to the power 2019 minus 1, which can be written as x to the power 6 to the power 336 times x cube minus 1. We have minus 1 to the power 336 times x cube minus 1, which is equal to x cube minus 1. Therefore, Px is equal to x cube minus 1. Now, we have to find the remainder when Px, which is equal to x cube minus 1, is divided by x minus 3. Put x equal to 3 in x cube minus 1. We get 3 to the power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 26. Hence, the remainder is 26. Question number 2. The smallest positive integer with exactly 20 divisor, including 1 and itself, is. The following result is essential to learn to solve the question. Result: number of positive divisors of n is denoted by tau of n. If n equal to 1, then tau of 1 equal to 1. If n is greater than 1 and n is of the form p1 to the power r1, p to the power r2, so on, pk to the power rk, where pi are prime numbers, then tau of n equal to r1 plus 1 times r2 plus 1 and so on, rk plus 1. We have to find the smallest positive number, say n, which has exactly 20 divisors, which implies tau of n equal to 20, which can be written as 4 times 5, which can be further written as 2 times 2 times 5. Now we can written n as p1 to the power r1, to the power r2, and so on, pk to the power rk, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. Now we have r1 plus 1 times r2 plus 1 times r3 plus 1 equal to 2 times 2 times 5. Comparing these, we get r1 equal to 1, r2 equal to 1, and r3 equal to 4. Now we have to choose prime numbers whose exponents are 1, 1, and 4 in such a way the number n is the least positive integer. Take prime numbers 2, 3, and 5 whose exponents are 4, 1, and 1 respectively. Therefore, n is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 240. Hence, least positive integer is 240. Question number 3. How many group homomorphism are there from z by 3z times z by 4z times z by 9z to z by 18z? Here z by nz denotes the cyclic group of order n and A cross B the Cartesian product of A and B. To solve the question, we have to learn the following results. Result number 1. Let G1 with binary operation star 1 and G2 with binary operation star 2 are two groups. A mapping T from G1 to G2 is said to be homomorphism if T of x1 star 1 y equal to T of x star 2 T of y for all xy belongs to G1. Result number 2. Number of group homomorphism from Zm cross Zn to Zk is GCD of m comma k times GCD of n comma k. The number of group homomorphism from Z by 3Z cross Z by 4Z cross Z by 9Z to Z by 18Z equal to GCD of 3 comma 18 times GCD of 4 comma 18 times GCD of 9 comma 18, which is equal to 3 times 2 times 9 equal to 54. Hence, the number of group homomorphism is 54. Question number 4. Let A is Z by 6Z be the group of residue class modulo 6 of integers. Let G be the group of bijections as a set of A, the multiplication being composition. Let H be the subgroup of G consisting of those bijections sigma such that sigma of x plus 2 equal to sigma of x plus 2 for all x in A. What is the index of H in G? To solve the question, we have to learn the following results. Result number 1. For a non-empty set summation, one denotes by S summation the set of all bijection from summation to itself. The symmetric group on the set S summation is by definition a group. Result number 2. Let H is a subgroup of a group G, then number of cosets left or right of H in G is called index of subgroup of H in G. It is denoted by Ig of H or G colon H. If group G is finite, then Ig of H or index of H in G is equal to order of G by order of H. It is given that G be a group of bijection of A, which is equal to Z by 6Z. Therefore, order of G is equal to 720 because the Z6 has contains 6 elements. First element has 6 choices, second element has 5 choices, third element has 4 choices, and so on. So in that way, order of G is 720. Now we have to find order of H. Let 1 map to X. Then by using sigma of x plus 2 equal to sigma of x plus 2, we have 3 map to x plus 2 and 5 map to x plus 4. By using these, we can find sigma of 1, sigma of 3 and sigma of 5. In a similar manner, let 2 map to y. Then by using sigma of x plus 2 equal to sigma of x plus 2, we have 4 map to y plus 2 and 0 map to y plus 4. Here we replace x by y. By using these, we can find sigma of 2, sigma of 4 and sigma of 6, or you can say sigma of 0. By calculating all the combinations, we get 18 such bijections, implies order of H is equal to 18. Therefore, index of H in G equal to 720 by 18, which is equal to 40. Hence, index of H in G is 40. Question number 5. Let the set S equal to x an integer such that 99 less than x less than 1000, x congruent to 8 mod 20 and x congruent to 3 mod 15. The sum of the element of S is, we have to learn the following results to solve the question. Result number 1. If A congruent to B mod M and C congruent to D mod M, then A plus C congruent to B plus D mod M. Result number 2. If AC congruent to BC mod M, then A congruent to B mod M by GCD of C comma M. Result number 3. If AC congruent to BC mod P and P does not divide C, then A congruent to B mod P, where P is a prime number. Result number 4. The linear system X congruent to AI mod Mi is solvable if and only if the GCD of Mi, Mj divides Ai minus Aj for every I and j where 1 is less than equal to I, less than j, less than equal to k. When it is solvable, the solution is unique modulo m1, m2, mk. This represents LCM of m1, m2, mk. It is given that x congruent to 8 mod 20 and x congruent to 3 mod 15. GCD of 20, 15 divides 8 minus 3. Therefore, the linear system has solution. From equation 1, we have x equal to 8 plus 20t with t being arbitrary. Substituting the value of x in equation 2, we have 8 plus 20t congruent to 3 mod 15, which can be written as 20t congruent to minus 5 mod 15, which can be written as 4t congruent to minus 1 mod 3, which can be further written as 4t congruent to 2 mod 3, and finally we can write as 2t congruent to 1 mod 3. Also 0 congruent to 3 mod 3. Adding equations 3 and 4, we get 2t congruent to 4 mod 3, which can be simplified as t congruent to 2 mod 3. That is t equal to 2 plus 3v, where v being arbitrary. So x is equal to 8 plus 20 times 2 plus 3v, which is equal to 48 plus 60v, which is belongs to S. Now x is 108, 168, 228, 288, 348, 408, 468 and up to 948, putting the value of v1, 2 and so on. We cannot find the value more than this because condition is given that x belongs to between 99 and 1000. Therefore, the sum of element of S is 7920. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. For solution in PDF format, check the description box. Thank you very much.